Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
And this one we'll be learning about Solid Router. First of all, in order to implement Solid Router, we need to install it using the npm package manager. So we have npm install and then @solidjs/router. Once this is installed, the next thing is we have updated our app.tsx file. So here you can see we have the router, and within that we have defined 3 routes. And these 3 routes are basically comprising of path and component. So this is the root path where we have shown the create user, and then we have the path users view. So it is going to show all the users that we have. And then we have the other part where we are showing the details of an individual user. So these are the 3 routes that we have created. Now you will notice over here we have the users directory under the src, and that's what we are referring over here by the import statement. So we are saying import create user, view user, and user details from the respective files. And then these are used as the component values. Now over here you will notice that we have, let's say, view users. So here we are showing all the users that we have. So here we have created 2 users with the ID 1 and 2, then name and email, and we have our create signal, and we are making use of the SolidJS router. Now over here we are just iterating through the collection users that we have over here, and we are simply providing the link over here so that the details of this particular user can be seen. Now if I go ahead and execute this in browser, and for that all I need to do is run the command npm run dev, and this is going to provide me the localhost URL. Let's open it up in browser, and here we have the create new user, which is the default route that we have. Now if I go and click over here and access the users view route, so here you will notice that we have these 2 users that we were showing in our view users collection. So we have John Doe and Jane Smith. Now if I click on the details, you'll notice that we are able to access the details of that particular user, and the route for that is user details/1. Now here in app.tsx, you will notice that for dynamic values, what we are doing is we are simply specifying the dynamic value as a :id. So whatever this value is, this is going to vary, and this is what we have, like 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth for this particular route. So here we have Jane Smith now for ID 2. And that's how easy it is to implement the router. Now there's one more kind of routing, that's file-based routing, and that is something which we will be covering up in the next lecture. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.